Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I am back with another video, and today I'm here to share week 27 to hashtag Artisan Journal Prompt 2024, hosted by Patti at Life with Patti. Um, she's hosting this open collaboration that she gives us prompts every week, and we create with those prompts. And each week, we come on during the week. I think she posts it on Sunday, and then during the week we create something, we post it. We don't have to send her anything. We post it, and then we share what we created with that prompt. So you can certainly jump in at any time. You don't have to catch up. You All she asks is to do an introduction page to your journal and go from there. So this week's prompt is butterflies. This kind of looks like a page I've already created. No, I think I might have used paper. I'm trying to look back. No. Okay. So this week is butterflies, and I used these butterfly stickers from Dollar Tree. I just love the pink. This is paper that I got. I probably got this paper from Hobby. Must have been Tuesday morning back in the day, and I have a whole bunch of them still, but I love this color. At the top and on the bottom here, I ripped the page and I added some lace underneath. I remember doing this back in the day when we were doing mini album, and a lot of people like the shabby. I like it too. It kind of gives it a vintage feel, not just the shabbiness with the lace, but I just love how that looks. And then I went online and I looked for a quote. I looked for several quotes. I mean, I was looking for a while. Usually they're just too long. I just wanted something quick and easy. So I think this is a quote. I don't know who said it, but it says, "Life is short. Spread your wings and fly." I thought that was appropriate for this butterfly themed. Yeah, and that is my page for week 27. So I want to thank everybody for stopping by my channels and commenting. Thank you, thank you. I appreciate it. And I appreciate each and every one of you. So thanks, Patti, for this open collaboration. I am enjoying every week. And now that I'm off work, I can create more. Although I'm going to be away sometime in July on vacation with my family. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.